am Bilal Tahboub. I am from Jordan. I landed at Dubai 1985, September 1985. And I started with Emirates Airlines. I spent almost 33 years with Emirates Airlines, but I was on the very first flight to Karachi. I am very proud to say that I started the training along with my ex-spouse in 1987. We started with 3 rooms on the 4th floor of the ex-Danata building at Clock Tower area. Training sessions, it used to be classrooms, and then later on it moved to a kind of a simulation, but simulation we used normal wood. Later on, Emirates Airlines acquired more of aircraft, and then we were so privileged by His Highness Sheikh Ahmed bin Saeed Al Maktoum to be granted and almost an opportunity to have the very first cabin motion simulator on Earth that was built by CAE in Canada. After spending for almost 33 years with Emirates Airlines, almost 10 years back before I left, I was thinking of doing something maybe still in the aviation training, but different, to be more comprehensive and include the training of all types of aircraft types. We came to a conclusion of our feasibility study, and we had met with our main financer, the investor, the Khansaheb group here in Dubai, who came from a construction background, but they believed in whatever we have really designed and whatever we have aspired. And we were given the chance to go ahead, and the project started building itself in 2017, where Mark took the whole, I would say, job on himself, but at the same time, we were liaising together while I was still with Emirates Airlines. On the 1st of January 2019, I left Emirates Airlines and I had a full-time job, at Dynamic. Now, the challenges that I had faced, throughout all of those things here is training people, with over 100 nationalities from all over the world. But at certain times here, I would say, with whatever Emirates Airlines has provided, which is second to none, cabin motion simulators, it helped, to conquer all those challenges and come up, with the desired results that we needed to do it. Now, in addition to this, I would say here, some of the challenges here is that, I wanted to do some more, of the training tools, such as covering the private and corporate jet training here. And this was not possible because Emirates Airlines, like any other operators, will focus on their own needs. Then, later on, when we came to Dynamic from here, we built, all kinds of full motion cabin simulator that covered the full shade of aircraft types, from the smallest to the biggest, but not the A380. So we covered the corporate and business jets, the small aircraft, and even the narrow-bodied aircraft, and then we have the wide-bodied aircraft types as well. Now we are almost coming to 3,000 that we have done. But anyway, when we launched in 2020 February. We were followed by COVID, and there was some time where business was not conducted. So I would say when COVID was over here, we immediately were inundated, with the number of training requests that other operators wanted. And most of this now here, most of the business here, I would say here comes and from the corporate and private jets.